No strategy, no chance. Day Trading Volume 1 is how beginners become pros. Inside, you'll see real-world setups, practical tools, and step-by-step training, not just theory. Here's what's waiting for you. Learn range-bound trading strategies, channel trading, scalping, shorting, how to get a broker and guidelines for choosing one, margin versus cash accounts, cheat sheet for the questions they might ask, understand market, limit orders, fees, and more, approaches to risk management and keeping emotions in check while trading. Learn simulated trading. Understand 10 key signals that can improve your entry decisions. Learn scanner settings to find the stocks. Explore tools and techniques commonly used by experienced traders. Learn studies and indicators. Average true range levels. How consolidating stocks are identified and potentially traded. The 10 important candlestick patterns you should learn. A sample of a day trading plan. Learn how to draw support and resistance levels. Examples of how to mark Fibonacci retracement levels. Learn to identify and mark historical data levels. Learn the value of studies, tools, and indicators such as the VWAP, SMAs, EMAs, the volume profile, the Scout Meter Pro, Level 2, time and sales, RSI, and the ADX. Detailed examples and analysis of trades taken. Find the setups and stocks with a rating system checklist. Day Trading Volume 1 started it all, and its success was followed by the Candlestick Pattern Playbook, over 60 patterns with accuracy ratings. Volume 3, filled with challenges to improve pattern recognition. Volume 4, trading breakouts and breakdowns during the open session. This day trading series shares concepts and tools used by active traders. You'll also see custom-built indicators designed for short-term trading analysis and tools developed to assist traders with clarity, timing, and trade planning. Remember, be careful. All trading involves risk. You should speak to a licensed financial advisor. No strategy or tool can guarantee you will profit. Visit the $1 Million Margin Club and begin building your personal trading process.